Hello and welcome to another video from Flaming Spider Cyclone. Today we're going to take the idle air controller off of 2002 Ford Escape. Now this should be the same for the Mazda Tribute and the Mercury Mariner as well, with maybe slight differences. And if this video helped you out, please leave a like.
It's right here. It just has two 8mm bolts holding it, and then this connector which you squeeze this part and it will just pull off. So I just have a 1/4" ratchet to take it off, and we had too long of an extension on here, and you break both of them loose, and then you probably don't even need the ratchet anymore. You just unscrew them, take the screws out and don't lose them, and get the other one. And then it should just come up like that, and it's pretty dirty looking. I have a new one right here, and it came with a little the gasket. And there's also a gasket on here, a little rubber seal, so I'm not sure if I need both, but I'm gonna put both on. Just set that on there, and then put your screws through the holes and line them up on both sides, and then just start them a little bit. And get your socket and tighten them down. Ratchet up and tighten them down just until they're snug. Don't over tighten them, because then you'll break your brand new sensor. And then just hook this up,
And it's back on. Alright, we got that done. Well, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.